Hi and welcome back. In the last video, I gave you some tips on how to write your product descriptions. In this video, let's see how you can preview the product that you created, how you can duplicate a product, and how you can add discount prices for your product so that when people go to your store, they can see that the price was $70 and now it's $30. So if you want to run a sale, you can do something similar to this. So this is a product that we created. Let's go ahead and just click on it. So if you want to duplicate a product, you can just click here to duplicate the product, and this product will be duplicated and you can rewrite all the content as much as you want to. And if you want to view the product, you can just click there to view the product. Currently my store is protected via a password, and if you want to remove the password or you want to change the password, you can come here under online store and then you go under preferences and you can change the password there. So I can enter the store using the password, and if I just scroll down, I can click on the product to preview it, and you can see there is your product. Okay, so let's say that you want to show a price for this, like it was 70, now it's 50. You'll just come back here, and if you scroll down, you remember this place where we were about comparing prices. So I can say 70. So if you want to run a sale, this is something that you can do. So it will be like this was the price initially, but now it is 50. And if I save and I come back over here and I refresh, you'll see that the price is 50. It was initially 70. So that's what I wanted us to do in this video. In the next video, we're going to come here and we're going to duplicate this product, and then we're going to create a variation product. So variations are down here. Variations, you can create variants for the product, and this is where you do that. So I will see you in the next video.